You are welcome to the third teaching on the right practices to financial security.
Security Affiliate teaches and expositions on everything security.
Number 3. Build an emergency fund.
Security Affiliate teaches and expositions on everything security.
Building an emergency fund is one of the smartest financial moves you can make. It gives you breathing room when life happens: job loss, medical bills, urgent repairs. Here's a clear, practical way to do it. 1. Know your target. Your emergency fund should cover 3 to 6 months of essential expenses. Example: rent plus food plus transport plus bills equals 150,000 nairas per month. Target fund equals 450,000 nairas to 900,000 nairas. If that feels overwhelming, start small. Even 50,000 nairas is a great first milestone.
Security Affiliate teaches and expositions on everything security.
2. Start small and build gradually. Don't wait until you can save big. Begin with 5,000 nairas to 20,000 nairas per month. Increase it whenever your income improves. Consistency matters more than size.
Security Affiliate teaches and expositions on everything security.
3. Pay yourself first. Treat savings like a bill. Immediately after receiving income, move a portion to savings. You can automate this using apps like PiggyVest or Cowrywise. What you don't see, you won't spend. 4. Keep it separate but accessible.
Security Affiliate teaches and expositions on everything security.
Your emergency fund should be easy to access in emergencies, hard to touch casually. Good options: separate bank account, savings apps with withdrawal limits. Avoid keeping it in your everyday spending account.
Security Affiliate teaches and expositions on everything security.
5. Cut small expenses to fund it. You don't need extra income to start. Redirect money from frequent takeout, subscriptions you don't use, impulse buys, etc. Even saving 1,000 daily equals 30,000 per month.
Security Affiliate teaches and expositions on everything security.
6. Use windfalls wisely. Any expected money should boost your fund. Bonuses, gifts, side hustle income. Instead of spending it all, save at least 50%. 7. Define what counts as an emergency. This is crucial. Valid emergencies: medical issues, job loss, urgent repairs. Not emergencies: shopping sales, new gadgets, vacations. Clear rules. Prevent misuse.
Security Affiliate teaches and expositions on everything security.
8. Refill it after use. If you ever dip into your fund, make it a priority to rebuild it immediately. Think of it as a safety net that must always be there. Simple strategy: open a separate savings account. Set an automatic transfer, even 5,000 weekly. Aim for your first milestone, $100,000. Final thought: an emergency fund isn't about wealth, it's about security and peace of mind that turns financial panic into a manageable situation. Subscribe to my channel for more.